Ford is warning 2025 Super Duty owners not to drive their pickups. They might have a brake pedal assembly that lacks a retaining spring that's designed to secure the brake booster pushrod to the brake pedal, which can result in the loss of braking power. The recall affects just 2,345 2025 Ford Super Duty trucks, ranging from the F-250 to the F-550. The automaker began investigating the problem in late May after team members at the Kentucky truck plant notified Ford's Critical Concern Review Group of a missing brake pedal retaining spring on a 2025 F-350. After that, Ford's CCRG reviewed a May 5th report of a service technician having no braking force during a pre-delivery inspection of a Super Duty, with the brake pedal swinging freely according to the safety recall report. Ford then received a warranty report in early June of another F-350 with a missing spring that a tech found during its inspection. The CCRG, through its investigation, learned that an operator new to the job and still in training had built both trucks with the missing retaining spring. It also found that the camera system designed to monitor production was down during certain periods, so Ford is also recalling those vehicles without sufficient visual evidence that they were correctly built. Ford says it has already begun notifying affected owners. The automaker says it'll instruct them to work with their dealer to complete the inspection, as the automaker does not want owners driving their vehicles.